Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Friday.
Happy Friday. It's day 25 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's us from Spoken Garden, Sean and Allison. And just doing our video log here, tracking our quarantine time.
And today we were out in our front yard and we were watering and started noticing that our Shasta Daisy plants are coming up really healthy this year. We wanted to show you and talk about them a little bit.
So we wanted to mention the Shasta Daisy to you because it's one of our most popular plant profiles, and it has been for quite a while. And so we wanted to talk to you about it. So everybody, here's one of our Shasta Daisies, and you can see it's nice and lush and green. It's got a little winter damage, but not too bad. Something's been taking chunks out of it.
Yeah, we've got
We're thinking it's maybe some slugs.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put down some some slug deterrent here in a minute. But we actually divided all of these plants you see right here a couple years ago.
Yeah, this used to be way bigger.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna bring you over here to this one because this was part of it too. And this was transplanted about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and they've literally just exploded in growth. They've doubled in size, each one of them, you can see here. And then we've got some on the other side of the path over there, but we're not going to show those. But they look just about the same. They're just as healthy, just as big. And so you can see these Shasta Daisies really like this full sun exposure they're in right here in our front yard.
What's cool is they're really pretty low maintenance. As long as you control the slugs and the damage, like right here. Again, that was from last year, but you can see the new growth coming in right here, and you can kind of see it right there. It looks real good.
Yeah, these are looking really healthy and lush, and we can't wait for them to shoot up and flower here in a couple more months.
They're so beautiful. Sean and I both love white flowers, and they just pop in the mulch. And one other bonus about Shasta Daisies is they're great for cut flowers. And if you've been following us, you know that we love cut flowers and we want to incorporate more in our yard. So you can cut them, bring them inside, and enjoy them indoors too.
So you can see Allison's putting down the sluggo there just around the perimeter of the Shasta Daisy, and what that does is it stops the slugs from going across that sluggo barrier and chewing on our Shasta Daisies.
All right, so that's it for today.
That's it.
We just wanted to show you our Shasta Daisies. We love them.
We hope you found that helpful with the Shasta Daisies and the sluggo. If you have any comments or questions, let us know down below. And hit that thumbs up button to let us know we're doing a good job.
And I guess that's all for today, so we'll see you tomorrow, Saturday, day 26.
Yep. Until then, see you later.
Have a great Friday, everybody.
Bye-bye.